Come here. I hear you're hungry. For a knuckle sandwich.
Right. What is Get out of there.
Well, well, well. Who chewed the headset? Who chewed the headset? Riley? Who did that? Was it you, Riley? Did you chew the headset?
It's a bug.
Yes, it's a bug. Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, Apollo. Good boy.
Bug.
Would you like a...
Damn, boy, he's thick.
Oh, hell no.
That's a thick ass boy. Damn. Look how big he is compared to like the size of my hand. Oh
my god, he's so good. Oh,
My back. Yeah, I've had trouble with it in the past. It's an old ski accident. It's been downhill ever since.
He's chilling. He's chilling. Ah!
Yeah, how are you gonna do this?
Everyone. Get your paws out.
No, hold her upside down. It'll be funny.
Oh my god.
Look at her. Get down.
А ну повернись ко мне. Контесситу покажи.
Hey, boy. What's up?
She got all the treats.
Good morning. Are you happy to be doing this interview with the Today Show in Australia? What about the opposition leader, Tony Abbott?
Dog. You see, petting the dog is one of the most relaxing things you can possibly do. It releases a hormone called oxytocin, which reduces...
What is this? What is this? Did you eat all the Pop-Tarts? What is this, King? Did you do this? Did you do this? Or was it you? Did you eat all the Pop-Tarts? Christian, did you eat all the Pop-Tarts? Or did you eat all the Pop-Tarts? Did you eat all the Pop-Tarts? You ate all the Pop-Tarts. Who ate all the